What's up guys, Sean here, and I help you get through this inference question. So for these inference questions, we really want to find connections like correlations or cause and effect relationships that kind of go together. So let's start here. So we're introduced to chaperone-mediated autophagy that helps cells break down and recycle unwanted proteins. As humans age, CMA activity decreases, leading to the accumulation of damaged proteins within cells. Moreover, diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's are associated with a significant reduction in CMA activity. This pattern suggests. Now, the relationships that we see here, we see that aging leads to a decrease in CMA activity, and a decrease in CMA activity leads to more damaged proteins within cells. Now, we also see, I put a squiggly line here just because it's not a direct cause and effect. We just see that there's a high association between Alzheimer's and Parkinson's and a decrease in CMA activity. So the inference that we can make is that since CMA activity, it helps cells break down and recycle these unwanted proteins, and a decrease in the CMA activity would lead to an accumulation of these damaged proteins, then perhaps the pathology of these diseases are somewhat related to the accumulation of these damaged proteins. So we want to look to see if we can find some relationship involving these in our answer choices. So when we look at answer choice alpha, CMA activity increases the accumulation of damaged proteins. Well, that's wrong. It should be the decrease of CMA activity increases the accumulation. So that eliminates alpha. Bravo. Aging leads to the development of certain diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. We only know that, according to this passage, that these diseases are associated with a significant reduction in this activity, which could happen with aging, but this sounds very absolute that aging leads to this development. And because it is pretty absolute in the way it's stated, we can eliminate Bravo. Charlie says Alzheimer's and Parkinson's are caused primarily by reduced CMA activity. Now, in this passage, it doesn't really tell us like what other factors are involved in the pathology of these diseases, so we don't know if it's the primary cause. Now, when we look at delta, the accumulation of damaged proteins within cells may be involved. Do you see how this answer choice is not very absolute? It just says that there might be a relationship. May be involved in the pathology of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which is kind of what we were anticipating over here, which is why delta is the best answer. Got it? Good.